What's up, boss fam? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I'm back again with another video. This one's gonna be a fire one for y'all. We're talking about pricing today. After this video, there should be no more concerns about pricing or how to price your service or how to price any even products. For any business, for any client, for any account type, I want to clear up pricing because everyone is still having trouble coming up with a price for their business, for particularly commercial cleaning businesses. We shouldn't be having this issue. Pricing, it is extremely important. You need to get your pricing right so that you're not losing money in these accounts and doing business and taking steps backwards. We need to make sure that we have our pricing right so that we can actually afford to grow our business. So I want to talk about pricing. We're gonna make it really, really simple so that no one else has any more questions about pricing. So that's the goal today. I go by the name of DJ the Boss. I started a commercial cleaning business about 8 years ago. We do well into the 7 figures. It's been great. But the reason I started this channel was, for one, to document my journey, just so I can look back on it and learn from myself. But also, as I've grown and as I've had success, I don't want anyone to have to struggle the way I did. So I want to be able to put enough information out there to get everyone started. Make sure someone who may be in my position or even worse can get themselves out of that position. And I feel like I've actually given back to this industry that saved my life, quite frankly. But today we're talking about pricing, and I want to demystify pricing your commercial cleaning services for good.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days.
Before we get started, I want to let you guys know I do have a couple ways that we monetize this channel, because it does take time, effort, energy, and money to put these videos together. And I want to make sure you guys know how you can support the channel and how you can help your own cleaning business as well as other. Speaking of subscribers, like this video so that it goes out to other people who haven't seen the channel before. This is a really good channel. I don't try to sell you guys anything. Just trying to build a community of like-minded people so we can learn from each other and grow our businesses together. You liking this video gives the algorithm the signals that it needs to share it with other people. So like this video for your boy. This video should get well over 100 likes. If you don't see this video at 100 likes, give it a thumbs up for your boy. Let's get this video to over 100 likes as quickly as possible. The second thing you need to do is, if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys watch the videos and you don't subscribe to the channel. That is a dumb move. This channel is packed full of information. All of the other cleaning business YouTube channels, you can learn something from. You don't have to buy all these expensive courses and spend thousands of dollars, but you can take in their information and use it how you see fit. You can hear what other people have to say in the industry and learn from that and apply it to your business, and without having to buy all these courses. But it's good to hear how people in the industry are talking, things that are coming up, and what type of things are going on in this industry from all of the YouTubers in the cleaning business industry or any industry, whatever industry you're in. So subscribe to the channel. It's the best thing you can do for your cleaning business, is to be on a continuous learning journey. And that means subscribing to channels like this. But let's talk about pricing, and I'm going to make this really, really simple. Don't lose money. That's it. Don't lose money. Figure out how much it's going to cost you to get the job done in its entirety. That means supplies and employees. It's the only cost we have. It's how much you're going to pay employees, and you have to buy your supplies. How much does that cost? Figure out what that number is and then charge more than that. That's it. It's as simple as that. If it costs you $500 in employees and supplies, like say you add up the hours it's going to take you to clean and the supplies that it's going to take you to actually get that job done, and that ends up adding up to $500, you can charge $501.
$781.
That's a good price because you're not losing money. You're not making a whole lot of money, but you're not losing any money. As long as that adds up after paying employees has taxes, so you add on employees and taxes, usually adds up to about 31% for me, workers' comp and all of that stuff. Employees and employee taxes, and then your supplies, if that adds up to $500 and you charge $501, cool, your business is profitable. That's all you want to be, is a profitable business. I'm not saying charge $1 more than your expenses. That's just dumb, but you can do that and survive. Like your business can function and survive. Yes, you will have no extra money. You will have $1 to operate the rest of your business, but that's a profitable business. Obviously, the more profitable you are, the better off you are. So you want to think about that and where you want to be. At $1 of profit per account, you need 100 accounts to make $100 a month, and it's that simple. If you were to, let's say, double your costs, and you charge $1,000 for that account that cost you $500. Now you just need 2 accounts to make $1,000 a month. It's that simple. And with that $1,000 a month of profit, you can decide how your business wants to spend it, whether that's to pay you out of that $1,000, say you pay yourself $200, $300, $400, $500, whatever, and you want your business to have, you know, a fancy software that costs $50, $60 a month. Now you can afford that fancy software, and you just keep adding accounts to have more profit so that you can do more in your business, so that you can have a budget for marketing. That profit is also what you're gonna use to pay supervisors or administrative staff or management staff, people that don't clean. That money is going to have to come out of that profit. So you're going to have the accounts plus the profit. And out of that profit, you're going to operate your business. And so anything that's left over outside of that is going to be, you know, net profit that your business gets to keep after paying yourself, after paying management staff, after paying for your software and stuff like that, all those things that you pay out of the profit, and after paying your cost of goods sold, which are your equipment and your cleaning supplies. That's your net profit that your business just gets to keep and, you know, in stack, and that you'll pay taxes on that at the end of the year. But that's how pricing works. Trying to tell you how to set your pricing or how much profit you should be trying to charge for is like trying to tell someone whether or not they should spank their kids. It's not your business. It has nothing to do with you. Other people's price has nothing to do with your price. Of course, I want you to look around your industry, look around your area, and see what things are going for. And then you can decide whether or not you want to be on the high end of that or the low end of that. But as long as you are profitable, as long as you are not charging less than it is costing you to get the job done, then you're okay. Don't overthink it, especially in the beginning. If you're just starting out and you know, you only have one account and you're getting, you know, a couple more accounts that you're gonna have to clean yourself. Don't worry about trying to make, you know, a certain amount of profit. Just be profitable. You know, get that money, you know, get that money in, get some revenue, get some money in your pocket, build up your saving, and as you get new clients, you raise prices, or you get rid of clients that don't profit as much or that aren't at the price that you need. Generally, I've never fired a client who was less profitable than my newer clients, because it's still just revenue in the business and it's work for my employees. It's more hours for my employees, so they're happy, they get to make money. They have hours and they have work to do so that they can make money. I don't really necessarily care that I don't make as much on that account as I do for an account the same size that I picked up later when I raised my prices. Yes, generally every now and then you want to circle back to everyone and say, hey, we're raising prices, and that will make some of those, you know, smaller ones fall off. But generally, if you're profitable, that's all you need. You just need to be a profitable business. That's it. You don't need anything else. And with the profit, however much profit that you decide to have, it will determine the type of things that you can do inside of your business, whether that's pay for fancy software, or to, you know, buy uniforms, or to buy more supplies, or what have you. You know, at some point you're going to have to, you know, make enough profit to invest in your business. But that's business. That's playing the business game, is deciding how to use that profit in order to grow your business even more. That's the entire name of the game. That's business. So stop looking for the easy way out. Stop looking for, give me the formula to give me the right price so that I know when I go in, everybody's just gonna say yes. Like, no, that doesn't exist. You're gonna have to come up with your own price, and you're gonna have to sell that price to your potential clients and to your clients, and show them that you're worth whatever price it is that you're charging. You're gonna have to show them the value that matches the price that you're giving them. Yeah, and if they don't believe you, then you have to work on your sales process and how you're going to sell yourself more, and sell yourself to show your value more, and show people that you're worth what it is that you're charging. It's not as hard as people are making it. Figure out how much it's going to cost you, how much it's actually going to cost you in employee costs and supplies, and then how much you want to make on top of that doesn't price you out of your market, and it actually gives you a little bit of profit so that you can use that money to grow your business further or pay yourself. If you're working a 9-to-5 job on top of doing the cleaning business, don't even touch that money. You don't need it. You have a full-time job. Live off of that income and use all of that profit to continue to build your business, either to pay people more or to do more marketing so that you can get more clients and have more profit. That's the name of the game. I really hope you guys got some value out of this video. Again, if you guys want to reach out to me and do a one-on-one consulting, the link is in the description. Also, the link is in the description if you guys want to come on the show and come on the channel and ask a question on the channel, say hi to the boss fam, and we answer your question and share that information with someone else who might need it on the channel. I think that's a really good way to support the channel and to get your question answered and help somebody else. It's a really cool thing I think we're doing here. I have a list of products and equipment that I use, some of the stuff that you see behind me, mop buckets and things like that we use in our cleaning business. And I think it'd be really helpful for you guys. Some of you, if you're just getting started, you don't know where to start as far as equipment. These are the things that help me to get started and to help me look a little bit more professional. Backpack vacuums, charging mop buckets and things like that. But go check those out in the link in the description. And I love y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all keep that boss mentality. Peace.